Okay, today we have the 2019 Honda Civic LCD Smart Key, and we're going to go ahead and get into the test on it. First, let's test the lock. Perfect. Let's test the unlock. Perfect. Let's do the remote start. Nice. And finally, let's do the trunk button. Great. Alright, now let's go ahead and do the touch screen. I like to always test the touch screen too. It's reacting to the Maserati remote. So if I hold it away, I wish it would stay steady. Let's do remote start. Let's do lock. Let's do unlock. Boom. And let's lastly do trunk. Okay. You see that? Like I said, when I hold it very close to it, it's going to react funny. But if I'm able to pull it away, like I did the first test, you can see everything's working on it. It just looks funny when I'm holding it close. So if you want to get this done for your car, I do these. Again, this is lcdsmartkey.com. This here is the 2019 Honda Civic. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Tesla Roadster.